of the Dash Mini Maker Waffle. I unboxed it, everything was in order. Only issue that was with mine came with a scratch. The light is real dim, so it's really actually hard to see the light when it's done, when it's saying it's ready for you to add your batter. But it cooks really quick, cooks really good. I mean, I've made 3.5 tiers of the waffles. I actually did cinnamon waffles with powdered sugar icing, and so we'll see how it tastes. But I just did a simple batter, and then the icing was pre-packaged, and I just added warm butter to it so it go over. And this is what my creation was. So I would say the mini is very mighty, as it says on the side of the box. It came pre-packaged very well. Everything looked very well in it. And so here's my first creation of the mini waffle maker by Dash. So I will definitely have to give it 5 stars. I will use it again to make something different. So then I'll come back at that time to let you guys know how that was. And in the meantime, try it, see if you like it. Thumbs up, thumbs down. My review is thumbs up. Get her cooking out.